If my songs go pop, 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 what makes you think I'm not okay with that? I took my backpack off.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is what I eat in a day. I don't know, you guys are excited about what I eat in a day, so I'm always getting pumped about what I eat in a day, but it's pretty early in the morning and I just wanted to start the vlog and say welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, my name is Iduma. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up button, cause why not, right? Why not? So in today's video is what I eat in a day, but someone asked me a question on my community tag and I did tell the person I will make a video about it, and I was always thinking about making the video, but making the video in a way that will be interesting. So in today's video I said it will be pretty interesting if I answer your question and still do a what I eat in a day. So the person's question is, how do I eat healthy when my family doesn't? And it's a very interesting question, because I'm at that phase right now. I'm trying to be healthy as possible and my family isn't the healthiest. And then the thing is, if you're very new, I'm Nigerian, and here in Nigeria, not that food is bad or what we eat is bad, it's just the way we make it is bad for my family, especially because we eat like healthy things. It's just the way we make it. It's a lot of oil. I've been trying my best to implement some certain things, and I was like, I will just share them. I wanted to just say that food is that one thing that really bonds I and my family, and food is very important for us, and all our memories have been shared with food. All our, I don't know, happy moments have been shared in the kitchen. All my mother's beatings, all my mother's knocks, all my mother's, I don't know, yelling at me has happened in the kitchen. Like, I have stories. I got stories and stories and stories. And I don't know, it's very important that I stay healthy, but it's very important that I still bond with my family. And if that's just you, comment down below. But I don't want to get to that point where I'm doing fit farm and I just don't bond with my family. So the first thing I actually always try to do, I always try to limit my meals to just one unhealthy meal. Like, even if I was to have something unhealthy like in a day or something like that, I try as much as possible to just have one unhealthy meal. And I really try as much as possible to like eat healthy meals, so that when it comes down to like that particular day, because it's not like we eat like pizza, burger, all those things like regularly, but then when it comes to that day when we eat those kind of meals, I want to be like, okay, in the past 2 weeks I haven't had it, so I can have it, so I'm allowed to have it and just share that meal and that experience with my loved ones or my sisters or something like that. And I also to try to intermittent fast, not because intermittent fast to just keep you healthy, it's just that intermittent fast reduces the frequency of meals that you would have. So let's say now I was to have like 3 unhealthy meals in a day, because I have my first meal around like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, I try to fast like maybe 17 hours, 18 hours. During the weekends I don't do intermittent fast, but because I eat my meals like during the afternoon time, I really can, like, you know, have like swallow at night and then maybe oats in the afternoon, or have something light during the day and something heavy during the night. So you get, like, it just reduces the frequency of the meals I have, but then again it allows me to have like swallow or something like that just within the day. And even when I do try to have those unhealthy meals, I actually try to have them like in very small portions. But a lot of talking has gone on, but like, let's get into the main video. There are still more tips too within the video, and there are like a couple of meal ideas. Do stay tuned. Don't check out. I'm begging you, stay tuned to the very end. Thank you. First meal for today, it's wow. So the first meal of today, I'm having beans today. I'm going to set my camera down so that I warm my beans, and I'll tell you what I'm trying to do to like be healthy while my family isn't the healthiest. First thing I do in trying to be healthy is I'm trying to cook more. Like, this is my mom's kitchen, this is her domain, this is her home basically, and I don't want to ever take over it. But then I'm trying to cook more. So not like I'm trying to cook more, I'm offering to cook more often. Because she does say cook, and I'm always like, oh, I'm the firstborn, I can always, give it to the, other children, like Eunice them. But like, I'm offering to cook more, and it's actually a good thing. So today, this morning, I actually offered to cook beans. And why I say I offer to cook more is, when I cook, I know that I'm putting in things that are healthy, and they're eating it regardless. So today's first meal, I made beans porridge, and I made it oilless. It's not like oilless, it's like oilless. But then I'll do a video probably next week on the video where I make beans porridge and all kinds of porridge without any oils into it. But then today's video, it's oilless. Like, instead of having like tons and tons of oil, I made it with like 4 tablespoons of oil, and it does look like porridge. And I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like porridge. I know, beans porridge is never the cutest. And then the thing about Nigerian food, unlike like Western food, our food isn't so gourmet. And then when people say, oh my god, your food always looks yummy, I'm like, God, what a struggle. Because I eat with my eyes, I do eat with my eyes, and I do like my food and my plate looking beautiful. And I do struggle to make it look beautiful, because face it, beans porridge looks like shit. No offense to beans porridge, I love you, but it looks like shit. And then these days, I've been trying to make my porridge and other foods to like taste different, because the thing is, Nigerian meals have a consistent taste, especially if you cook it in a consistent way, so it will always taste the same. So a way I keep it different, a way I zhuzh it up, is by putting like different leaves into it to just keep it interesting and tasting different. Like today we put in scent leaf. I don't know, scent leaf is like, it's getting to that point where it's becoming like my favorite leaf. And if you don't know scent leaf is like chow. But if you're not like from here, it's basically like bay leaves. So I put it in the porridge. And you could also put in uzuza. I just keep like changing it. You could also put like regular greens into it. But I just want to like steam it up a little bit and have it with bread, because I just want to have more protein into my diet. Ooh, that's good. I toasted my bread, so I'm having it with bread. Right, another way too I try to be healthy, my family isn't, is I try to plan ahead. The days I do offer to like cook a meal, the days is rare actually. It's actually very, very rare. But the days I do offer to cook, I try to plan ahead. And then again too, my family is like a big family, so, and then we're all like animals, so everything you cook, you kind of have to hide it. Like, you have to hide it. If you don't hide it, forget about it. So I'm going to like keep this in the fridge for like tomorrow to have it as lunch. So this is how I meal prep, because I found out that whenever I make food like in huge batches, I really find it hard to eat it, because they make food at home, you have to eat it, and this one just there in the fridge. Not like you have to eat it, but your tongue has to taste it. So this is the way I try to like not waste food. I try to like make it prep like smaller portions basically. So I plan ahead, especially the days I decide to cook. So I'm going to go drop this right now in the fridge and have my meal. I'm done with my beans, and I'm just going to have oranges. I'm going to peel them now, have 2 of it while I watch LA Finest with Gabriella Union and Jessica Alba or Bill. With Jessica Shah with Gabriella Union, I'm going to watch that now and take these 2 oranges as a snack. I'm having this snack, I'm going to have another snack very soon. I really like food in my mouth. But then I feel like having oranges is like healthier, like fruits. I have fruits as a snack, but I feel like having the fruits are like better than having like the ice cream upstairs. So, and it's a little bit sweet, so it curbs like sweet tooth. And if I'm not having an orange, I'm having an apple, I'm having a pear, like a sweet fruit basically. So I'm going to just peel this while I watch the show, and yes, I'll show you my next snack. My next snack is like my best snack. If you've been on my YouTube channel for like forever, you know my love for this particular snack goes way back. But let me just peel it and watch my movie. I'm enjoying it. Season 1, episode 7. That's where I am right now. So you guys, I'm about to go upstairs, and this is what I'm going to have until probably 4-5 when I'll come down to make dinner. But here's what I'm having. It's pear. It's like black olives. Like that's what somebody could describe it as, but we call it pear here, but like local pear, or we call it atile. And it's like my absolute favorite thing to have in the whole wide world. Eat and agbalomo, like I love odara. So both of them. So I'm just going to have this while I walk. I'm reading some books. So while I read, I'm going to have this and just enjoy my book. So guys, I'm done studying. What time is it? I always want to know the time. Oh my word, you can't see Jack. Okay. So it's actually 6 o'clock. Let's call it spade. And I'm going to go make dinner. Like I've been saying, the secret to eating healthy when like maybe your family or your partner isn't eating healthy is really planning ahead. And then this morning as I made the porridge, I prepped some vegetables because I had to cut scent leaves, so I cut green at the same time because I was like, okay, probably I'll just have air fried potatoes with just a little bit of sauce and stew. And then the stew is stew my mom made, so there's like oils in it, and but then I don't know, it's kind of healthy because I did watch her make it. It's just like stew with oil and every other thing in it. So I'm just going to go and have it with eggs because she just made like stew, like just as a sauce. So I'm going to go boil some eggs, and then what else? So for the sauce too, because I'm struggling now to having more proteins because obviously that beans is not enough. I don't feel hungry, but I know that beans is not enough in terms of protein. So I'm going to add some periwinkle into it. So let me just go and do some stuff. I wanted to just add a little something. I wanted to say, if you want to plan ahead, really look at the family's like schedule and timetable, like food menu or something like that, to know how you walk around your own meals. Like if I was to have like a meal that I know is very like carb based, and I know it's gonna be oil based, e.g. abacha, like we put a lot of abacha. We put a lot of oil in our abacha. That's because, you know, fat makes everything delicious. But if I was to have that kind of meal, for instance, I would really have like a very light breakfast. On the first meal of the day would be very light, especially because I know that this kind of meals are meals we have like towards the night time. I would try as much as possible to eat very low carb, low calorie meals like within the day, like maybe pepper soup with a little bit of oats during the day and during the afternoon, so that in the night that I have like a good room, a good amount of calorie left to accommodate those meals. So that's actually one of the ways I try to keep like myself within my calorie limits, and at the same time to still be healthy. So in the spirit of planning ahead, I just had this block taken out, and I'm going to like take it upstairs now and keep it in the fridge just for tomorrow, probably as breakfast or lunch, or probably as dinner again. But I'm planning ahead. That's how we stay healthy here in the house. So you guys, thank you so much. I've just had dinner and I'm just about to edit my video, my birthday vlog video that will be going up, I think, the next day, like tomorrow of today that I'm filming this. But if you haven't really checked it out, do check it out if you're watching this video. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment on what you've been trying to do to eat healthier, why your family doesn't, or why your partner or your spouse doesn't eat healthy. What tips too are you implementing? So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. The corn, I know, sorry, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.